Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to create a group chat on Telegram, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a group chat on Telegram, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Telegram. And after opening your Telegram, next, I want you to tap the three lines on the top left corner. And then go to New Group to create your group chat. Then right here, you just need to select the contacts or persons that you want to add to your group. Just tap their accounts to select. And once you're done selecting, you can now tap this button to continue. Then right here, you can now enter the name that you want for your group chat. And you can also add a profile picture for your group if you want. And then you will now be able to see all the pictures that are saved in your device, so just select the one that you want to set as your group profile picture. And after selecting the picture, tap the check button to completely set it as a profile picture. And with that, the setting up of your group chat is now complete, so you can now tap the check button to completely create your group chat. And then after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your group chat. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.